Hello, fellow AP Airsmiths. Today, we're going to try out a new tool from our friends at Airtech Studios. They sent us their new Gearbox installation tool. This simple yet effective tool prevents the anti-reversal latch and trigger from popping out while trying to assemble your gearbox halves after maintenance or repair. If you have ever worked in a gearbox, you know assembling the halves can be challenging, especially on an older, worn gearbox where the trigger and anti-reversal latch don't sit as tight as they did when the gearbox was new. The kit comes with two clips, one for the anti-reversal latch and the other for the trigger. Both clips appear to be strong and well finished. The directions say this tool will work on any gearbox versions from 2 through 9. It's difficult to see in the video, but each clip is marked with either trigger or reverse latch. So normally you need like 4 hands to do this successfully. Let's see how the Airtech Studios GIT simplifies this difficult task. Let's start with the trigger and trigger spring. This may look a little cumbersome, but remember, I'm trying to stay back out of the camera shot. Normally, I'm looking down on my work. I'm starting with a gearbox that has already been disassembled, and I have cleaned away the grease for better viewing. This gearbox actually belongs to my friend Daniel and Ben, who wanted me to go through it for him. I thought this was a perfect opportunity to try out the GIT. Normally a dab of grease helps to keep the anti-reversal spring in place, but not for this video. A good reminder is to make sure the anti-reversal latch is engaged with the bevel gear, and the sector gear is below the piston, as well as a tappet plate is not on top of the planetary gear pin or delay chip. Next, the anti-reversal latch and spring. Both the trigger and anti-reversal latch are held in place securely. For the anti-reverse latch, the clip needs to be at the base of the latch, not on the small axle that goes into the bearing. Next, the spring and guide. This is an M120, so you do need to hold down the cylinder. Now for the top half of the gearbox. I still need to make some slight adjustments, but that was easy. Make sure everything is lined up and remove the gearbox tools. Everything looks great, very successful. I'm just installing one screw for now. I need to pull everything apart and properly lube this gearbox next. The tools are well engineered and will take a lot of abuse. The Airtech Studios GIT, or Gearbox installation tool, gets a thumbs up from AP. Airtech Studios makes many other upgrades and helpful items like the SSU, or Stock Stabilizer Unit, and EHG Enhanced Hop-Up Gear for the SC Scorpion, as well as a TBE, as they call it, or a Tank Battery Extension for the KWA TK45 and Ronin PDW. That finishes up this review. Make sure to check out Airtech at airtechstudios.com, and remember to visit Airsoft Pacific for other cool videos and information.